Welcome to our comparison video, where we will take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Quart Portable Washer and the Mini Washer. We'll break down their features, specifications, and user experiences to help you determine which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer has a capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, which can handle up to 6.6 pounds of laundry. This makes it suitable for small to medium loads. In contrast, the Mini Washer boasts a larger capacity of 15 liters, allowing it to wash more delicate items like underwear and baby clothes at once. However, the BLACK+DECKER's capacity is more versatile for everyday laundry needs. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer comes equipped with 5 wash cycles, including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, providing versatility for different laundry types. It also features a transparent lid and LED display for ease of use. On the other hand, the Mini Washer is designed for portability, being foldable and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport, but it lacks the advanced features of the BLACK+DECKER. When it comes to pricing, the BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer is priced at $249, reflecting its larger capacity and more advanced features. In comparison, the Mini Washer is much more affordable at $99, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, potential buyers should consider whether the lower price aligns with their laundry needs and expectations. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer and the Mini Washer have their unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER is ideal for those who need a reliable and versatile washing machine for everyday use, while the Mini Washer is perfect for those who prioritize portability and budget. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.